Welcome to the Blueprint Solutions video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a new appointment. To create a new appointment, you can go to the calendar icon at the top of the screen, or you can find a day and time you would like and right-click. Select the starting time interval you want. Example, 8 o'clock, 8:15, 8:30, or 8:45. Once you choose your start time, this will bring you to the list of patients in your system. If you are creating an appointment for a new patient not yet created in Blueprint, you can use the None option. You can also use the None option if you are creating an appointment that is not patient-specific, such as a meeting or lunch. Otherwise, you can use your keyboard and start typing the first few letters of the client's last name, and it will bring you to where the client's information is. Select the patient and click Next. This will open the Create Event dialog box. You can now specify what location the event is being scheduled for, what provider the patient is seeing, and the description field will populate with the patient's name. The referrer will default to what was selected in the Patient's Marketing tab, but you can change the referrer if needed. Then you can choose the event type. The note field will also populate with the patient's phone number. At this point, you can add any appointment-specific information. Depending on the type of appointment, we can use these 4 boxes. If you check the first box, this means that the appointment will show up as a solid color. This is a visual reminder that you should not double book during this type of appointment. If the box is not checked, it will show up white with a color outline, visualizing that you can double book that type of appointment. If the patient has indicated that they will be bringing somebody to the appointment, you can check the third party present box. This information will be calculated into some reports. The sales opportunity information will get calculated into a closing rate report, so we can see how many sales opportunity appointments we've had and how many of them have resulted in sales. This will give us our closing rate percentages. The unaidable box is for AHA members. This can be used in the AHA wake-up call. You can adjust the date and start time using the up and down arrows or in the preview panel. Use the mouse to drag and drop the appointment to the desired start time. You can also extend the duration of the appointment by using the scroll bar or using the preview panel. You have the option to make this an all-day event, or you can make this a repeating event. In this area, you can reserve a resource that is needed to ensure that they are available during the appointment. Setting the status to tentative can be helpful in the case that you want to be able to track what appointments have not been confirmed yet. Click Create Event to save. The appointment now appears on your schedule. When you hover over the appointment, in the lower left-hand corner you will see Patient and Appointment-Specific Information. In the lower right-hand corner, you will see Provider and Resource Information. Notice the question mark icon on the event. This signifies that the appointment is in tentative status. You can call the patient to confirm the appointment, right-click, change status, and change to confirmed. Now you can see the confirmed appointments with the checkmark icon. You can now utilize your calendar for appointment reminders. If you created an appointment for a new patient that is later created in Blueprint, you will need to go back to the appointment, right-click, and link this event to that specific patient. Highlight the patient, select Next, and then update the event. When you hover over that appointment again and right-click, you will see you now have the ability to open up the patient details. We hope you found this Blueprint OMS tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please give us a call.